mbili za hiyo mental assessment nilete tu hapa kotini.
Klinzy Baraza Masinde, you are charged with the following offense. Statement of offense, murder, contrary to section 203 as read with section 204 of the Penal Code. The particulars of the offense are: on the 17th day of June 2025, outside the Menti House in Nairobi Central Business District within Nairobi County, murdered Boniface Kariuki Mwangi. Is that true or not true?
You have 7 days to file and serve the motion. The DPP has 7 days to reply, but over that period also the victim's family also has 7 days to file any motion